Welcome to this video, and here we want to work out this question. If f of x is 4x cubed minus 6 divided by 2x, what is f of 3? And to do this, what you need to do, we take 3 and replace 4x in this top equation. And so we do this, we do 4 and bracket 3, okay? And we raise this to the power of 3. And then, of course, we subtract 6 with the fraction here, which is 6 divided by 2 times x, and x is already 3. Okay? And of course, we can put our final answer. So you can see that if you do that, your answer definitely will be 107. Okay? So put here 107. And now we go to the next question, which is f of minus 4. And again, you do the same process all over again. You take minus 4 and replace 4x here and then sub everything. So we go 4 bracket open, and inside there we go for minus 4. Okay. And raise it to the power of 3. And of course, you subtract that. And of course, put a fraction there. So you replace 6 divided by 2 bracket open minus 4. And of course, if you, of course, you could do that. And of course, your final answer here will be minus 255.25. Minus 255.25. All right, so that is the answer for f of minus 4. And then the next question is, what is f of 2 and 5? Okay, so of course, 2 over 5 is the same thing as, I think 0.4. Okay, so we replace here with 0.4, 0.4, and then we'll stop that. Okay, so we're gonna start all of again. We're gonna put 4 bracket open, 0.4. Okay, and raise that to the power of 3, and go to minus. Yep, and then a fraction, and then you have 6. Yep, and then at the bottom fraction you have 2 bracket 0.4. And of course, if you put this, you can see your answer here. Your answer looks something like minus 7.244. Minus 7.244. Minus 7.244. So this is the way you do a question like this. They are very simple, and I really want you to try them and get used to them, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate you.